Let's talk shop. Front geometry correction on the Jeep Wrangler. Elev8's Rock-Rail is our solution to front geometry correction. Just like the rear, our belief is softer angles equal softer rides. When you lift your Jeep, the front control arms become steep. This creates improper vector force dispersion. Think of a vector simply as the path the impact force takes. On a factory Jeep with flat arms, hitting a bump allows your suspension to easily absorb the motion. But when you lift the Jeep and those arms become steep, you change the direction of that force vector. That steep angle sends the impact energy straight up the solid metal arm and directly into the frame. Because the front wheels are leading rather than trailing, we need to look at how the control arms physically move. Control arms travel on a curved path called a kinematic arc. With soft OEM angles, they swing safely upward to absorb impact. But when your arms are steep, that arc forces them to swing forward as the suspension compresses, pushing directly against the backward force of an oncoming bump. The suspension binds up because the energy has nowhere to go. This is kinematic binding, also known as the pole vault effect. The impact force bypasses your shocks, essentially pole vaulting your Jeep. Okay, maybe not like that. Lifting your Jeep does cause negative caster if you don't add longer or adjustable arms. You can fix your caster and still have steep, harsh control arm angles. That means you still suffer from kinematic binding. Caster fixes your steering, but flattening your angles fixes your ride. To do this, we use Elev8's front Rock-Rail. It drops both the upper and lower control arms at the frame, flattening them out to restore a smooth kinematic arc. The Rock-Rail comes in a standard 3.5-inch drop and an XL with a 4.5-inch drop. There are 3 different mounting positions for the upper control arm for caster adjustment. As long as your lift is within 1 inch of the drop bracket, your stock OEM control arms can be used. If your lift falls outside that range, we manufacture fixed control arms for different lift heights. Our arms use polyurethane bushings instead of stiff joints or cheap materials, absorbing road vibrations perfectly. They are paired with our included cam plates, which allow for 3 distinct positions, so you can easily perfect your exact caster angle. Our Rock-Rails come standard in black, but optional faceplates are available. Because we do all our powder coating in-house, we offer thousands of color combinations, including exact Jeep OEM matches. We even teamed up with Quake LED to create a custom LED lighting kit to make your setup stand out day or night. Installation is a breeze. They bolt directly on and don't require any cutting into the frame. You won't find a smoother ride than this. Elev8 Off-Road, rugged style, rugged performance.